So, nasa SLEX shell kami. If I'm not mistaken. We're gonna talk to you later na. Bye! Hi guys, so I'm not sure if... Wait, I'm shy. Wait, I'm not sure kung nakafocus to. Pero ngayon, nasa NLEX Shell kami. And we're on our way to our destination. Andito bike ng kuya ko. Tapos, yun. Nag-stop over lang kami to pee. And after a few more minutes, we're gonna go. So today is actually July 16? 16 I think. Or 17. Yeah. Any of the two na lang. Pili na lang kayo. So ayun na. Ano lang sila. Talk doon. Tapos after nun, we're gonna go back na. Yun na. So I'll bring you guys along with me. I guess intro montage. We are here. So I'm in the restroom right now and we've arrived to the place of my outfit. So yun siya guys, wait. Gusto ko makikita nyo. Ayan. Pa-back style siya. Kitty. From a small business yan, so. We are here now. Wait.
Yeah, my first time here.
Ate Chloe, it's your first time here ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ka kasama from last time. We swam there. Like, there's a house there. Hindi nyo kita eh. Basta there's like a house there. Tapos, ano siya? Sobrang layo. Ito yung mga yaya natin.
Yaya service.
Kasi Kuya Jared's swimming right now. Ayun siya. Wait, look lang. Ayun.
Ay, ere pala, sa likod. May bus.
So, yan. We are on our way to make palat na.
Ew!
Galaw-galaw.
Ang cute ni Ate Clau. Her, ano,
Bata.
lagi ganyan si Ate Clau.
Kasi ano,
Oo nga pala yung bangs. Ate Clau, mahilig si Ate Clau talaga mag-tie ng hair. Ang cute. Ayan yung mga ates at kuya.
ano nakamuscle yan ah.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give no trust like that. I stay adamant with the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. When I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too tight, like it's her dear life now. She'll probably run away. Said fuck my friends' advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give no trust like that. Whoa. She took away all of my youth now. 20 going on 42 now. I hesitate and then get chewed out. No point in conversations. I can't seem to shake this, cause she hangs on way too tight, like it's her dear life. And I should probably run away. Said fuck my friend's advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Oh, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love.
Okay, go.
Lock.
Kasi babel yan. Oh!
Wow! Wow!
Muscle up daw!
Lakas! Ayan si Jared tulog. Ayan si Ate Chloe.
Hi, Mga Ka Sibs.
Ayan lahat. We're chilling na lang to eat lunch. And, di ka lang po naka-zoom. Naka-zoom ba ako? Kita naman ako sa frame ba? Kita, hindi? Or, ngayon, we're waiting na lang. Actually, today, ayan na. Ito na. Sure na ako kung anong day ngayon. 11:45 a.m. Saturday, July 17. So, nasa Papagayo kami resort. And we're just gonna wait for lunch. And, yun na. Right now, we're we are tired. Ayun nga, tulog na si Kuya Jared dyan. Swimming po more. Saya sa waves, swimming pa yun. Tapos, nag-banana boat rin kami. Sulit, worth it naman. Nag-rides lang kami dun sa dagat. Tapos yan, maganda yung waves dito. Like yung dagat, very calming. Tapos kung gusto mo ng may waves, punta kayo dito. So, there's going to be a part 1, part 2 of this vlog because feeling ko mahaba yung mga pinagkagawa ko dito. And recently, sobrang dami ng schoolwork. So, tambak yun kami. And now lang ako nakapag-time. Our food is coming na. Ito yung food namin. So, may Shanghai, and then chicken, tapos Shanghai ulit, and then rice. Tapos may isa pang meal na dadating ata. Ate Pao, guys. Ate Karen. Ate Aileen and Ate Tin. Tapos Kuya Ferds. Ma'am Baydet. And then Kuya Joel, di ko lang kung saan sasabak. And Ate Joanne. Sisig Kim! Yay! Ate Klaus there. Father. Ate She. Kuya Ron.
Hello, hello.
Kuya Emer. Kuya Raven. And then Ate John. Ate Joy pala. Tapos Tito Dande. Lagi ka na eh. Kanina ka pa nag-hi. So ayan yung sisig namin. Since interesting.
Ano ko na? Ano ko na to?
Ayusin mo na kuya.
Bye. Hindi ako may...
So, eto na. Hindi na ako nakapag-after. Bakit ang grabe yung ano? Hindi ko lang kung against the light ba ako o very dark lang talaga. Pero pa iisa lang sinabi. Basta yan guys, ito yung aftermath. Ubos lahat. It's good food here. Yung mag-jaws. And okay. So, hi guys! Di ko lang kung nakafocus ulit to, pero paalas na kami from our first destination and have a maximum of 3 hours, minimum of 1.5 hour travel time. Just kidding, it's a surprise kasi for our second destination. Pero mabilis lang yan. So, dito kami sa Papagayo. Sir Frank Lacson, first Philippine triathlete. Ayan. And namili rin sila ng mga fishes, fresh fish. from the dagats. Syempre, why not buy, diba? It's galing dagat naman yan. Kung sa market pa, di mas malayo yun. Di hindi na yung fresh. Ang dami ko sinasabi. At night, medyo, yeah. Yan yung, parang ganyan siya. Yeah. So, you enter here. Then, doorbell. Hindi pala nagana. So, yung door, you open. Ayan. So, diretso dito yung kitchen. Nakapakita ko. Living room. Dito, we have there's a bike and iron board tapos washer that no one uses. Hi, Ate Karen. And then here's the boys' room. Sir Ferds is here. Yan. They're all gonna fit here. Ang cute ng lamp. Wala akong ilaw pala here. So, hallway ito. That's the restroom. I'm not gonna show that na kasi medyo madumi ata. And ito for the girls' room. Madami sila kaya mas bigger yung room. Pero super worth it naman daw. And cute ng lamp. Okay, let's invest in lamps natural. Next is the masters, which is our room. My sister is asleep na. And that's me. There's a cabinet. Everyone has a cabinet. Tapos, ito yung master's restroom. Yan. Tapos, another me again. And I'm getting a hang of using this. Ganda yung CR niya. Ang cute. Dati, it's like a curtain lang, but now may glass door na. We've been staying here since like what? Ever since we've started triathlon in Subic. So, probably like, what? Parang naaalala ko like mga 2009, 2010, mga ganun. Something like that age. 2003 is when I born. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tama. 2009 kami nag-start pumunta dito lagi. And ever since, dito na talaga kami. Kasi super worth it. Kasi isipin nyo, you have 3 bedrooms. Tapos, you're staying in Subic. And then, you have a living room. You have a, what do you call this? Kitchen, tapos you have a veranda outside, yung pinakita ko kanina. And then, yun, parang imagine, it's like comfort of a house compared to like yung stress in hotels. You know, yung normal naman. It's medyo pricey rin kasi yung mga hotels here in Subic. So, probs, I really do like this place. And ever since talaga, kasi I think family, friend, or kakilala, ganyan. Kaya nalaman namin to ever since. Tapos yan, ever since, nandito na kami. Oh, take a shot whenever I say ever since. So yun nga guys, tomorrow kasi meron kaming activities as well, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I probably will be, dami naman yun. Today, magiging first part of the vlog to, of our 2-day trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. See you guys tomorrow, and bye guys! Also, kaya wala si Kuya Jared sa outro na to, it's cause Kuya Jared is technically busy today talaga. Something with priorities rin niya. So, ako muna now. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. See you all and bye! Love you! Follow me! And bye Kuya! Bye guys!